Hey guys, welcome back to the Queen's channel. If you're new, my name is Jazmine. If you're not here, welcome back, y'all. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing a night routine. I just got out of practice, guys. So I'm deciding to film another routine because I feel like recording, guys. I miss you guys, so I'm gonna record. I'm debating on if I'm gonna continue to post 3 times a week. Because track is it's getting serious, guys. My first meet is next week on Thursday, on the 26th. So it's getting serious, and it's like 3 times a week is a lot for me. And a lot of people are like consistent. I'm literally so consistent that I feel like if I did not post every like Wednesday, y'all would understand. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to turn on post notifications. So every time I post a video, you'll get a notification. Make sure to comment something nice. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. And I just want to let y'all know, and a little more on top of that, I was thinking about not recording. Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to get my pieces for my camera. I'm literally about to get in the sharks. I just got out of practice. Well, I just got home from practice. But your girl is like, I'm gonna tell y'all about practice when I'm done taking the shower, but I just want to talk about like my filming wise and like what I'm gonna do. So I'm not saying I'm done right now. I'm not sure if I'm done yet, but if y'all notice me not posting on Wednesdays, I probably will post like a little post on my channel, and y'all would see it if you're subscribed. So subscribe right now just to get notified, just in case I say that I'm not gonna post every Wednesdays anymore and I just post twice a week and not 3 times a week, because 3 times a week is a lot. And I know people who support me, that's like probably like, that's a lot. But if you really support me, you wouldn't even mind, for real. But there's some people that are like really busy and don't like, they can't engage to every single video I post like every other day. Like I post Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and I don't post on the weekends. So I'm thinking about just posting Monday and Thursdays. Because if I post on Monday and Friday, I feel like Friday is just too much of a long period, and Friday and then Monday comes around and I post again. I feel like it would be better like a 4-day, 3-day period that I like don't post, except for posting every other day, except for weekends. So I'm just probably gonna not post on Wednesdays anymore. I'm not saying I'm done yet. I'm not sure when I'm gonna be done. I feel like I'm gonna be done when I feel like I'm gonna be done. But by then, if you notice I stopped posting on Wednesday, please just bear with me and please understand that it's you gotta bear with me. It's track. If you know, you gotta be consistent with track, or if you know, you know. I can't even share what my outfit was today because I low-key changed, but I was wearing this comforter. You kind of can't see because my arms are out of it, but it's a comforter. And these sweats I was wearing for practice, don't mind they were rolled because they're low-key kind of long. And then I finally got to wear my spikes for the first day, guys. It was like pretty good. It felt weird at first, but I mean, it wasn't bad. Like, I literally just grabbed my tripod and I put it back down. Like, I'm so slow. And I still haven't got my outfit out for my shower. Like, bear with your girl, okay? I'm not on task. I probably should have talked to y'all after my shower, because, yeah. Let me just take this off because I'm just sitting here. Guys, I don't know if in my videos I've been talking about my check from my entrepreneur. I think my mom's gonna go get it on Tuesday for me and my sister, because practice, I gotta go. Like, 15, I have 20 minutes to get there and get back home. I don't think it's gonna take me that long, unless I like run or something. I'm not running. Her place is really not that far, but I'm not really trying to do that. So again, here's my spikes, guys. I wore them, and I put the spikes in them. I wore them. When did I wear these? Oh, I wore them today, but I wore them with socks. I feel like my feet were hurting, but the thing is, I have room. So I think it's just my Nike socks are thick. So that's why people really say not to wear it with socks. And when you don't wear it with socks, they say you feel faster. I definitely feel faster with spikes, guys. And like without running shoes, I definitely feel faster. I am not gonna hold you guys. So yeah, you guys. But I'm literally gonna get in the shower. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna use in the shower, and I'm gonna talk to you after my shower, because your girl just like in the shower, and it's like I said, it's gonna get serious. When it gets serious, the camera's gonna be cutting off. So yeah. So I'm back, you guys. I took that little hairstyle I had out that I have for the weekend and all that. And I think on Friday I had the hairstyle out. So the queen is about to put my hair wrap on. I'm not gonna put my bonnet on, but I'm gonna put the shower cap on, because I'm gonna like put mousse in my hair and like kind of refresh it up a little bit because I'm just getting a little nappy, as y'all can see. So yeah, y'all, girl, boys, practice. Okay, let's talk about practice, y'all. I said, oh, actually, no, I told you I was gonna talk about practice till later. All I'm gonna say is it wasn't that bad, and I guess they got a little bit of news, so stay tuned. I mean, it's not really news. It's just like news, exciting news for me because, you know, I'm a girl and they were a boy. So I'm gonna tell you later. I'm gonna remember because I'm gonna have to have something to chat about. Guys, my nails are, this one's kind of, yeah. But we're not even gonna get into it, guys. So just don't say anything. Don't say anything. Okay, so I got my clothes out. I'm wearing my two-piece pink set. So I'm gonna get my eczema stuff out. Y'all are gonna see the set after. I think I'm going for a vanilla scent, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna go for a vanilla scent. I'm gonna get my vanilla. Yeah, this. I don't have my vanilla. I have to go get more. That's why I'm waiting for my check. I have to go get some more of the shea butter. Of the scrub. So I'm using Cocoa Colada scrub. And yeah, I'm gonna do everything shower on a Monday because yesterday it was my brother's birthday and everybody was just having fun and stuff. So I really didn't get the chance to do everything shower. So I'm gonna use the Cocoa Colada, and then I'm gonna go for like I said, I'm going for vanilla. So actually, let's go for coconut. Let's go for coconut because it'll make more sense if I went for coconut. So we're just gonna go for coconut. So I'm gonna put the vanilla back, and I'm gonna get the coconut, the coconut shea butter. Sorry, yeah. Yeah, we're gonna just go for that because it will make more sense. And then I'm gonna get my vanilla shaving oil. Got it. Geometry test I was stressing about. I got a 96 on it. So yeah, I did it today because again it was snowing on Friday. So not that many came and people couldn't make it. Not that many people came and people couldn't make it. But I got a 96 on it. So it is 6:43 and it is Monday, March 16th. So I'm gonna go get in my shower, do my everything shower routine, and I'm gonna catch y'all when I'm doing my shower. And I'm doing a face mask today and stuff like that. So today's just gonna be a good, refreshing day for me because your girl is tired after today, and it's definitely gonna be recovery tomorrow. And if it's not, I'm gonna have an issue because no. I can't tell where your hair ends and mine begins. If I had a boy's tattoos, I would think that it's your skin. If I'm moved too quick, that's true, I would think. Hey guys, so the queen's out the shower, and I'm gonna give y'all a time check on time. So it is currently 7:38 or 7:39 or 7:38, yeah. And the queen just got out the shower. And I did my moisturize and stuff like that. So I'm gonna show my outfit. Bro, for some reason I have a hard time closing my closet for some reason. But this is my outfit. I need to start taking pictures on my camera so y'all can really get the feeling of my outfit. But I'm gonna take a picture on my phone for now, because I don't want to just end my video and do all that. That's just doing too much. So I'm just going to take my pictures off Instagram. If y'all want good thumbnail photos, take them off Instagram, because I feel like it comes out a lot more neat than regular camera. So yeah. Okay, this is cute. Hold on, because I actually love Instagram photos. They come out really cute. So we're going to stretch, and I'm going to talk to y'all as I stretch, because yeah, y'all. So I'm gonna put y'all up here. So basically, we're gonna talk about what are we talking about? We're gonna talk about track. So today we did coach gave us an option to do 4 150s or 3 200s, and my team chose, or my team chose to do 3 200s, because low key, I'm sorry, who wouldn't choose that? At first we were like 4 4 4, but then he said for that we wouldn't get like full recovery. So if we did the 200, we would have got 8-minute recovery. So we're like 8-minute, like who wouldn't want to do 8-minute recovery? So we chose 8-minute, and I was doing very good, y'all. I cannot hold y'all. And I was running with boys, so I was running with a girl, only one girl though. Ooh, that hurts, y'all. But yeah, I was running with one girl, and then everybody else was boys, and it was shoot, that hurts. It was good. I had fun. But the second 200, there was this boy, and he ran into my lane, and I'm like, "You're in my lane," but he like it wasn't that I don't even think he scooted over. Like he was like on my lane line. Like I'm right here, and he's like on my line, y'all. Like he's on my line. I'm like, "You're in my lane, bro." Like as I'm running, I'm like, "You're in my lane." Like he was like, I'm looking down because he's super close to me. And I'm like, why is dude so close to me? But I low-key did not let him get to me. I'm sorry. I wasn't gonna let him get to me. So today, don't mind my brother, he's on the game. So today what the queen got planned is a face mask, because I just haven't done a face mask in so long, and I feel like doing a face mask. But first we're gonna put some mousse in my hair to like get it and put it up. Actually, no, we're gonna do my face mask first. Yeah, we're gonna do my face mask first. So yeah, I also kind of want to vacuum my room, because my room actually needs to get vacuumed. I can tell it needs to get vacuumed, so I may do that. So yeah, guys. So we're gonna go and do my face mask. I literally do the same face mask every time, so I don't know if y'all want to know. But yeah. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So this is the charcoal mask I use. I low-key have a watermelon mask and a mud mask I can use, but I feel like the black charcoal shows more. So we're just gonna do the Hawaiian black charcoal peel off mask. Okay, I think I'm starting to run out. Okay, looking at some dryness on here, so I gotta throw this away. I feel like I only really do a face mask when I'm filming, and I have to stop doing that. Like I need to get into a habit of doing a face mask, because yeah, y'all, like I feel like I have to get into a habit of it. I want to get into journaling. I have a lot of things I want to get into, guys. So I want to make my videos a lot more aesthetic, and I have to do my YouTube planning for April. I'm probably going to do a preparation for my trip to San Diego. I'm doing a vlog for that as well. So stay tuned, guys, because April 10th through the 14th is going to be a good spring break vlog for you guys, and I can't wait to, like, you know. And when June starts to hit, that's when my parades start for a drill. Yeah, y'all, I'm busy. Drill Wednesdays, mentoring on Tuesdays, track every day except for Wednesdays. I'll be busy, y'all. If you guys are in school and you do a sport, let me know what sports you do in the comments. Or if you're not in school, you like work, did you ever do a sport? Let me know in the comments, just in case you're like, I don't know what to comment. There's something in the comments, so you're not just watching, y'all. Make sure y'all subscribe. You already know. If you know me, you know the drill. Hit that subscribe button so you can get notified every time I post a video. So yeah, I washed my edges today, but now they feel like I just never washed them. But okay, my face mask is on. Does that look good? Should I put some on my nose area? Like where it connects so it doesn't look like wild. Y'all, I was laughing with my friends in 5th period. And like I accidentally low-key ripped my nose piercing out. My nose, like this side, my left side. It may be like introverted for y'all, I don't know. But I low-key ripped my left side out. And it didn't hurt. But like when you rip it out, you can like feel like, oh, like, you know, not but like I wouldn't say ouch, but like you can feel it. And I was like, I don't even know how I ripped it out, y'all. And I'll try to put it back in. It went in, but like I was like, now how did that happen? I didn't do that. No. But I'm about to take some photos, some thumbnail photos and everything, because you're gonna need some thumbnail photos, a lot of thumbnail photos. So yeah, y'all. I'm currently at 1,767 subscribers. So y'all get me to 2K by, let's say May. Get me to 2K by May. I just need what, 300 and is it 43 or 33? I'm checking my phone now. Yeah, I need 333 or 34. No, 33 more subscribers. So if you're watching, if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, okay? Because clearly you're watching for a reason. Okay, y'all, sorry. I'm about to wash my hands off because I'm literally getting stuff on my, like, seat area. Make some TikToks and stuff. And, yeah, I still got my skirt on. I still have a night routine I got to do and everything. So, this is just a unwind and stuff. So, yeah, is there, like, stuff showing on my shirt? It may be just my ring light. I don't know, y'all. She may just be dripping. Okay, but, yeah. Okay, y'all, so I also got my track and field order form. So I'm about to get the package deal that comes with the hooded sweatshirt, t-shirt, sweatpants, and a duffel bag for $81. $81. I don't know why I say $81. Like, what the heck? But I'm gonna add the option to put like my name on the back of my t-shirt. So I may not put Jazzy. I'm probably not gonna put Jazmine. I'm probably just gonna put Jazzy because everybody call me Jazzy. When people call me by my full name, I'm like, okay, but I'm about to get called Jazzy, so I'm just put Jazzy on the back. So it'll be like $91. And so, yeah, I already got my idea, so I'm gonna give my name Jazzy on the back. Also, these are the photos for it. Let me just turn my screen for y'all, because I feel like when I turn my screen, I can like see it more. So, yeah, here's like the t-shirts. And I think they mean like by put it on the t-shirt, they mean like the hooded t-shirt. I mean, it says sweatshirt. Oops, they're gonna put it on my sweatshirt. My bad. So they can put my name on the back. That's gonna be so cute. And I'm gonna get the sweats, the matching sweats, the shirt, and the duffel bag. So, yeah, y'all. So I already got my idea what I want to get. I luckily did not set my alarm. I think it's like 15 minutes. So I'm gonna set my alarm right now because I'm like, oh my god, I'm all over the place, guys. Ooh, okay. So I'm gonna set my 15-minute alarm. And I'm about to get to vacuum. I'm going to pick everything up off my floor. And I got to fill the sheet out. Where's my pen? I don't know where I put my pen, but I know I grabbed it. And did I leave it in my mom's room? I don't know, y'all. I'm going to get ready to pick everything up off my floor so I can get to vacuum my room real quick because it needs to get vacuumed. Like I said, I'm going to take this, move this shirt, move everything, and vacuum because, again, it needs to get vacuumed in here. So yeah, I'm gonna wash my edges on Wednesday probably. Like every 3 days. But yeah. You don't want to try to get out of my body, magician. Okay, y'all, so I just finished vacuuming my room, so my room looks a lot cleaner. My father called me. Okay. I'm about to get my stuff, guys. But yeah, y'all, so there's a lot of dishes on there. So I feel like it's gonna be very much productive night routine. Because I gotta go do some dishes. Because I guess I've been the one who go do them right now. Because my mom gotta go to sleep. So that's what I'm gonna go do. I need to put my slippers on because I've been sleeping. Guys, this was so killing me. I have 6 minutes, but this may stay on me for more than 6 minutes because I'm trying to get a thumbnail photo. For some reason, when I take my photo, it just doesn't, like, focus to where y'all can, like, see me. no matter how much I try. Like, it makes it like this stuff is too bright. Okay, I'm done. Okay, I'm about to put my slippers on. Here, downstairs. So yeah, I gotta do a lot of dishes because yesterday, again, we had the dinner. So we're just having the dinner. I don't know. I lucky went to sleep like right after the dinner. I think I went to sleep when some people were still here. I went to sleep because Kobe was okay a little sick yesterday because he threw up the night prior, so he wasn't like feeling too well. So there's a lot of dishes. Well, it seems like a lot of dishes because this big old pan right there. It seems like a lot of dishes, but it's really not a lot of dishes. So I'm gonna do these dishes and put these dishes away, and then I'm gonna talk to y'all when I'm done. I should have brought my iPad to watch something, and I'm gonna go get it. It's a light day. Hey guys, so I'm done with the dishes. So all the dishes are over there. What does that mean? Like I said, so we're about to get ready to take this face mask off because it's been on for a while. I forgot when my timer went off, but okay, band went off. So yeah, y'all. But I got my money, so I'm gonna tell my mother tomorrow so she could do the check stuff. All these lights off because I won't be down here again. Bro, I forgot to turn that light off, y'all. Because when I was filming, I decided to turn on the other light because I want it to be more lighting. Goodness. I guess I'll turn off the lamp. How do I? Okay. Bro, I have to get a new iPad case because everything is kind of, yeah. We're going to go into my bathroom and do this because I'm about to do my night routine. We're going to go in my bathroom. I have to take off this face mask. Then we'll go back to my room, wipe off this mascara. Actually, I'm going to just grab my micellar water, put it on the cotton round, or cotton pad and stuff. Okay. Sorry, I'm just so tired. Let me take off this face mask now. I really hope it's all dry because, girl, I'm not doing it. Okay, hold on. Most of it's dry. This is just not that connected to my stuff. Okay. Okay, I got some on my scarf, and I low-key just cleaned it like not too long ago, like the last face wash I did, but it's okay. Now I'm gonna go with my micellar water, y'all, and I'm gonna get this mascara off because I don't like sleeping with mascara on. And it's a lot refreshing when you take it off. So when you redo it in the morning, the next day for school, it's a lot more refreshing because if you already have mascara on there, it won't feel so refreshed. And I don't even have to really use two cotton pads, whatever. I try to get as much as I can until I decide to give up on wiping my eyes back to back because it does take a while. And when it's already like been on there for hours and hours on end, it may not want to come off. Well, actually, okay, it came off today. Probably because I didn't put that much mascara. Like usually I do a layer after the other layer, after I finish with the other layer and I wipe it, I'll do another layer. But today I didn't do that. So that may just be why. And my lashes didn't come off how they usually do. Also, y'all, if y'all want to know how I do my thumbnails and previews, I made two YouTube shorts on them. So if you want to know, go check it out. It's made for my video I literally posted today. So go tune in because it's up and it's out now. It was probably because I low-key did really good on that thumbnail, low-key. I don't know how, but it looks really good. Okay, so now I basically am gonna brush my teeth. When I'm done, I don't use the rag right now. I low-key just do. Today because it's night, I just put water on my face and wipe my face. Water on my face. I do that 4 times and I wipe my face 4 times. morning and night, and that's when I do my routine. I mean, I do my skincare. So I'm gonna brush my teeth. This is what I use. I'm looking running out. Don't mind the top. I have brothers, and they use the same. They use this, so don't mind the top. Okay, y'all. Oh my god, I forgot that I took these with me. I be forgetting like every single day. I'm not gonna get my chair today. I'm just gonna do my nourishing real quick. I'm letting my face air dry. My Aquaphor. So yeah. I have a few YouTubers I need to tune into tonight. I low-key be editing my videos. It's only 8:30, so it's literally only 8:30. I low-key may edit my video tonight. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'm gonna at least go to sleep by 11. So if I edit tonight, I edit tonight. So yeah, my face is like mostly dry. So I go with this, and I go with my Aquaphor. Both of these. So yeah, I need to put what's it called? Like some tape over this hole. Look, you have tape right next to me. I'm gonna put tape over this little hole right here, so it stops coming out from the sides, because it's just too much. Look here, I'm gonna use the next tape because this one doesn't feel too sticky. Sorry, y'all. Ow! Bro, look, you just pinched myself and now my skin came off. Because why is it broken? Guys, my freaking tape. I get it. I literally poked myself now. And now it hurts. So I'm going to put some ointment on it because now that hurts. It hurts really bad. Okay. So now you're going to touch the tape anymore. That's weird. You're weird. Actually. Anyways. So. Yeah, I want to talk about. Like, every time I talk to y'all, I talk about track. And that's really all we have to talk about. Because my life is basically built off school and track. I did get this A. That's how I got it. I took geometry. But in English, I got a grade for my paragraph exemplar. And I got an A on there. So my grade went up 2%. It was at a B. It was at an 85. I went to an 87. So when he grades my missing assignment that he been supposed to grade like a week ago, about to be 2 weeks by the end of this week if he doesn't grade it. Then it could probably bring my grade to an A-. But he hasn't graded it. Or at least, if not A-, a B, 89. I don't know how much percent that one is, but he's just been having it as missing for so long, and I'm like, bro, I did it. So when he comes up to school, because I put this up today, when he comes up to school today, I'm gonna let him know about that, because I'm stressing about that grade, y'all. I'm not gonna hold you. I'm stressing about the grade because I just don't like when my grades are bad. A B is not bad, but I literally want all A's for this quarter, and I want A's for the next. But yeah, you guys. So I think I'm done with everything. I gotta, like I said, I gotta fill out that form. But like, other than that, I'm kind of done. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my post notifications. So every single time I post a video, you'll get a notification, and make sure to comment something nice. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. The queen is out. I'll call y'all back in the next video. If you have any YouTube ideas, give me some. I don't really know if I need any, but still give me some. Thank you for watching all the way through. You're the best.